right, for today's snake, we are going to check our work here. I have a snake game, or I have a bead box that I brought home, but unfortunately I didn't bring my Montessori rug home. So you're looking at a placemat right now. And then on top of that, I have my bead box here, but I don't have my placeholders. So today you'll see me using colored placeholders instead of our traditional black and white placeholders. So we're gonna go ahead and begin counting. I'm gonna use my pencil to mark where I leave off because I don't have my cute little bread tags to mark my spot. So I have 9, 10. So I have 10 and I have 2 left over. Again, you're gonna see me using colored bead bars to indicate the placeholders this time. I'll bring these down. We'll go to the next part of our snake. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'll get my 10 out. Remember that I had my placeholder to put back. And I have 6 left over. So I'm going to bring these down and put my 6 where I'm left over. So now I have 6 from being left over, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'll go ahead and get my 10 out. I have 3 left over, so I'm going to go ahead and put my placeholder in here. And remember this 6 was a placeholder, so I'm going to put it back. And bring this down. Now we have our placeholder 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have exactly 10, which is awesome. I'm going to bring my placeholder down and the rest of my beads down here. And then let's see what we have left over. Snake's getting very long with all these 10s. All right, so we have 8, 9, 10. I'm gonna go ahead and get my 10 out. I have 3 left over, so I'm gonna get my placeholder in there. Bring this down. And I'm left with 3, 4, 5, 55. So I'm going to go ahead and get my 5 out. Put my placeholder back. 55. Okay, so my original snake was 9 plus 3 plus 6 plus 7. I'm sorry, plus 8. Then plus 7 plus 3 plus 4 plus 8 plus 5 plus 2. We can check our work, make sure our snakes match up by making 10s out of our original snake and seeing if it matches up with what we have on our other snake. So we can go ahead and start doing that. I love pairing together first, ordering my beads so that I have them greatest to least. It's my favorite thing to do. It makes it easier for me to pair everything up. So I have my 6, my 5s, 4s, 3s, and 2s. All right, so what we're gonna do now is go ahead and start pairing things up. So I know that 6 and 4 is 10. So that takes care of that part of the snake. I know that 7 and 3 is 10. So that takes care of that part of the snake. What else can I pair up that's easy? Well, let me think here. I can do a 5 And here's 5. Couldn't I? So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I could do that, but I have all these large bars up here and not a whole lot to match with it, but we could do this. We have 8, 9, 10. That works out pretty well. And maybe we could break a few of these up and make things a little bit easier for us. So why don't we go ahead and break up our 5. I'm going to exchange my 5 for 5 units. So now I can make 9, 10 for this part of the snake. I can do 8, 9, 10 for this part of the snake. And I have 5 left over, 3, 4, 5. So now I've checked my work and matched them all up to make an exact golden snake of 55.